veggies that I'm gonna be putting in them. Red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, orange bell pepper, green onions, white onions, red onions, scallion, and that's my leftover chick thigh right here that I'm gonna be putting in there as herring. Okay, and these are my spices: garlic, my homemade Haitian spice. I'm gonna be using some turmeric. Okay, and maybe some paprika because I don't have tomatoes. Okay, just to get the beautiful color that I'm looking for. So let's get started. I hope I am at the right angle that you can see everything that I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding some oil. I have this extra virgin oil. We don't need that to fight too much. And in here, I have some roasted garlic that I made. I'm gonna add a little bit in there. Let's give you a nice kick in here. Okay. Let's start with my onions. Oh, guys, sorry. I had this. The spice. Ah, yeah. Okay. Okay, and my red onions, my green scallions. You can smell it already.